So it is practice time. So what do we want to do? We want to create a calculator app where we'll be taking inputs from the user. So we'll say, hey, enter any two numbers, okay? And then we will ask the user about which arithmetic operation do you want to perform on these two numbers, right? So we'll show up a complete menu. For example, we'll say press plus for addition, plus minus for subtraction, plus static for multiplication, and so on and so forth. Okay. And also we'll say plus Q for to quit, right? So if user enters Q, then the program will be finished. And but if user, for example, it will start from entering two number. User enters 5 and 6. Then we'll ask user to enter any operation. User enters plus. So it will show the addition of the two entered numbers. And then again, it will ask to enter two numbers, right? But if user enters Q instead of any operation, then it should quit the program. Otherwise, it should keep asking for the numbers and operations and so on and so forth. Now, the thing is, we have to, obviously, so far we can see there's going to be a for loop. There are going to be multiple if-else conditions. But we have to create separate function for each arithmetic operation. So now the code should be very nice and clean. Everything should be done in the functions, and only the function names should be used in the main program. And then we should also create the functions for anything else as well where needed. For example, printing the menu. So for the menu, there should be a separate function created, and only the function call should be there in the main program. So try to do that. Otherwise, we'll do that together.